Welcome to Strategies on Ladder Trading using Binary Options. This topic is brought to you by binaryoptions.net.au. Gaining popularity amongst experienced traders seeking trading techniques that deliver higher profits, a binary options ladder trade requires solid analytical skills and a strong understanding of financial markets. A ladder binary options trade, as the name suggests, is acquired from how it executes. That is, as the ladder has rungs fixed at equidistance that need to be climbed. A ladder trade is a type of binary option whereby the trader is given a range of typically 3 price levels and 3 payout rates for each. A ladder binary option trade predicts that the market has to rise beyond or decline below certain price levels, all while the trade is executing. In order for a trader to profit from these trades, the asset price must reach certain price levels while the contract remains open. Binary option ladder trades are not necessarily all or nothing. Trading profits are earned on each specific trade if the set price level is reached. That is, a trader may earn the payout for the first and/or second price level if the target level is reached, but if the third price target is not reached, earn nothing. Accordingly, the first offered return rate will always be the lowest, and second will be higher than the first, and the third offer will be the largest return. This is because, according to ladder strategy, the first price level is most likely to be a reached target, while the third is the most unlikely to be reached. It is no secret that integral to binary options trading is being able to successfully predict price movement. Ladder traders are predicting an asset's short-term price behavior and are collecting their profits as the asset's price climbs on the ladder. So only by a trader correctly identifying whether there is a bullish or bearish trend will the ladder strategy profit. Because ladder trading strategy states, in most cases, that the expiry time of the ladder will be set to the end of day, it allows a significant amount of time for each price level to be reached, which is beneficial to the trader. For a binary options ladder trade, pivot points are used for analyzing short-term price movements. Pivot points display important price levels of the asset and assist in predicting future price movements. Using a 1-hour price chart, pivot points are identified by calculating the average of important price values, i.e. low, high, open, and close, which were achieved during the period and charted as support levels 1, 2, and 3 and as resistance levels 1, 2, and 3. If the market tends to trade in subsequent time frames above the pivot point, then it is considered to be advancing in a bullish trend. Alternatively, if price declines beneath this level, then it is deemed to be moving in a bearish channel. As an example, trading the Euro-US dollar currency pair, which has a current value of 1.2077, a binary options broker will determine a sequence of call and put anchor prices above and below the current value that is supported by the expiration period. In the example, imagine we have analyzed the market, have identified that we consider that price will either remain at a similar level or potentially rise marginally before the expiration period. This means we could engage a call ladder strategy. Instead of executing one call binary option trade using the Euro-US dollar as the underlying asset with a target level of 1.26094 and potential payout of 164.81% with the short-term expiry, a trader can mitigate their risk exposure in the form of a ladder strategy. How? The binary options broker will produce the following ladder with strike prices: 1.26094, 1.26048, and 1.26002, which expires in just several minutes. We, as the ladder trader, open the three different call or put options on the Euro-US dollar with the three predefined strike prices, as opposed to one call trade with a 1.26094 strike price. Based on a trade amount of $25 per trade, the first trade in the ladder would be a Euro-US dollar call trade to be above 1.26094 with a payout win of $66.20. The second trade, a Euro-US dollar call trade to be above 1.26048 with a payout win of $35.12. And the third trade in the ladder, a Euro-US dollar call trade to be above 1.26002 with a payout win of $25.89. To be successful and have the ladder trade finish in the money, the Euro-US dollar has to have a value more than 1.26094 at expiry. If all three of these trades expire in the money, the potential return for this ladder trade, based on a $25 per trade price, a $75 total trade, is a huge $127.21. For more information about this topic and more binary options trading strategies, please visit binaryoptions.net.au.